Advanced Candlestick Patterns Analysis. Unveiling Rare and Complex Formations. Introduction. Candlestick patterns are a cornerstone of technical analysis in Forex trading, providing insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. Building on the foundation of basic candlestick patterns, advanced traders can unlock even greater trading opportunities by delving into rare and complex formations. In this segment, we will explore the intricacies of advanced candlestick patterns analysis, including identifying rare formations, understanding their implications, and mastering their effective interpretation. Recognizing rare and complex candlestick patterns. While basic candlestick patterns like doji, engulfing, and hammer are essential, advanced traders should familiarize themselves with less common formations. 3 white soldiers, or 3 black crows. These patterns consist of consecutive bullish, white, or bearish, black, candles with minimal or no shadows, signaling a strong continuation of the trend. Morning star and evening star. The morning star is a bullish reversal pattern formed by a doji or small candle, followed by a large bullish candle. The evening star is its bearish counterpart, indicating a potential trend reversal. Shooting star and inverted hammer. These are single candle patterns with long upper shadows and small bodies. The shooting star is bearish, while the inverted hammer is bullish. They suggest potential trend reversals. Understanding the implications of rare patterns. Rare candlestick patterns often indicate significant shifts in market sentiment and can lead to powerful price movements. Traders should consider the following implications. Strong reversals. Rare patterns can signify the end of an existing trend and the beginning of a new one, making them crucial for timely trend changes. Market exhaustion. Certain rare patterns like the evening star or 3 black crows suggest that market momentum is weakening, signaling a potential price reversal. Trend continuation. Patterns like 3 white soldiers and morning stars can indicate a continuation of the prevailing trend after a brief consolidation. Mastering interpretation and application. Interpreting rare and complex candlestick patterns requires a blend of technical analysis and context. Confirmation. Always wait for confirmation before acting on a rare pattern. Look for follow-through price action that aligns with the pattern's implications. Volume analysis. Analyze trading volume when identifying rare patterns. Higher volume during a rare pattern can enhance its significance. Time frames. Analyze rare patterns across multiple time frames to ensure the pattern's validity and assess its impact on longer-term trends. Integrating rare patterns into trading strategies. Incorporating rare candlestick patterns into trading strategies demands a systematic approach. Confluence. Combine rare patterns with other technical tools, such as trend lines, support and resistance levels, and oscillators to validate trade decisions. Risk management. Set appropriate stop-loss levels based on the pattern's implications and the overall risk-reward ratio. Position sizing. Adjust position sizes to accommodate the higher volatility and potential larger price movements associated with rare patterns. Continuous learning and practice. Advanced candlestick patterns analysis is an ongoing process. Engage in continuous learning by studying historical charts and practicing pattern recognition on demo accounts. Conclusion. Advanced traders who venture beyond basic candlestick patterns gain access to a realm of rare and complex formations that hold significant trading potential. These patterns provide insights into potential trend reversals, continuations, and market exhaustion. By meticulously learning to recognize and interpret these formations, traders can enhance their trading strategies, make more informed decisions, and navigate the Forex market with heightened accuracy. However, always remember that no trading strategy is foolproof, and risk management remains paramount in ensuring sustainable success in the dynamic world of Forex trading.